Yeah, hello, music customers. I'm here in Kaswa about to share an update with you what one Kia truck can do. Let's go. Yeah, so this customer have involved a Tarkwa share stones. That be how we call these stones. Tarkwa share stones, you see. So nice and beautiful. So last time I was there and the customer called me that Steven, I don't have a much money right now, but involve a one Kia to my location and let us with one Kia they start the job. You see, so after I come to Ghana, I'll call you again for you to extend the contract for me. You see, so as you came, you start from this location and here for go up down to top and cover here all. But the customer, so she don't want to involve a scaffolding now. Let us spread the stone for the down for him, you see. So when he come back to Ghana himself now, she will let us involve another stones that will be able to lay complete the top wall for her. You understand me? So this is a one Kia truck of a Tarkwa stones, as you can see. You see, so after we lay to that level that we can go again, we come to the porches inside. You see, just look at how the stones looking so nice and beautiful. The name is Steven Stone Design. We always take an time and do a very beautiful job for all my customers around the country. Oh, just you see, just look at the design. You see how the stone is shiny. So this be what a one Kia truck can do. You see, the stone was able to do the pot inside and do these two pillars up to this height. So whatever I did, they watch me right now. Kindly call Steven Stone Design. Our service is available across the country. You see, so nice and beautiful as you can see. So this is what a one Kia truck can do. You see, this is what a one Kia truck can do. So nice and beautiful. So wherever you find yourself, give us a call on our service is available across the country. Bye bye.